Welcome to the Book Club Podcast, the place where hidden truths and untold stories come alive. Life, relationships, struggles, healing. It's all here. So keep watching, subscribe now, and share this with someone who needs this conversation. The next story could change everything for you or for them.
Vulnerability, it's scary, because when you open your heart, you risk being hurt. And if you've been broken before, it feels safer to stay guarded. But here's the truth. Walls keep out the pain, but they also keep out the love. Real love doesn't demand that you hide. It doesn't punish your honesty. It doesn't shame your scars. Real love says, I see you, I accept you, and I'm not leaving. Yes, vulnerability is risky. Yes, it feels uncomfortable, but the right person will treat your openness as a gift, not a weakness. So stop mistaking protection for healing, because the love that's real isn't afraid of your truth, and neither should you.